How to back up online data in QuickBooks. So first we will need to log in into our QuickBooks account. I've just logged into my QuickBooks account, and then we want to click on the cogwheel here in the top right corner. Once selected, you might be able to see an option to back up company data here under Smart Look. So if you see that option, simply click on it and this will back up your data. However, if you don't, I'll show you the manual way. Here we want to click on Export Data, and it's going to load up a new page like so, from which we can select what we want exported. So General Ledger, Trial Balance, Journal Entries, and the time frame as well. I will simply leave it for all dates. And we have another option here, or tab, for lists, and we can export lists of our customers, employees, and suppliers. So just check all of the options which you want exported. Naturally, all of them will be selected, and then what we want to click on is this button here, Export to Excel, which will download a file with all of our company data. Now I will open up the folder like so, and if we want to access our data, we will simply extract this file here. So I'll right click and extract here, and as you can see, this is all of our customer data and our company's data. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.